Nandito po ako ngayon sa Sarap Inasal. This is my first time to eat in this restaurant located in Solimanya. Malapit lang ito sa accommodation ko. Walking distance. Aking in order ay ali sabaw and rice 27 reals. Ayan. So ayan, sinerve na yung aking order. Inasal, chicken inasal. Kain po tayo.